Good morning, my dear students. From Value Education, we are going to see lesson number 3, Healthy Eating Habits. म्हणजे पौष्टिक जेवण जेवण्याच्या सवयी. Now see, what do you understand about healthy eating habits after looking at the picture? You can see in the picture what you could think about the healthy eating food. Do you agree with the girl in the picture when it comes to junk food? No. Now see, what is the importance of breakfast? When do we have breakfast? In the morning. Now what is the importance of it? का जरूरी आहे सकाळी आपल्याला नाश्ता करणं? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It is very important meal, food of the day. This is specially true for growing children. जी लहान मुलं तुमच्यासारखी जी वाढत आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी तरी हे जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. Scientists have found out that students who eat breakfast have better memory than students who don't. The children, those who have breakfast regularly in the morning, they have more better memory than the students those who are not doing breakfast in the morning. And they are also healthier. Healthier म्हणजे निरोगी. Children who don't eat breakfast get less iron in their diets. Children those who do not do breakfast in the morning, they have less amount of iron in their diet and are more likely to gain weight. आणि म्हणून ते जरा जास्त जाड होतात. मोर ओव्हर इफ चिल्ड्रन स्किप ब्रेकफास्ट, जर आपण सकाळचा नाश्ता नाही केला, they end up eating more calories during the day, and instead of getting more iron, then they can gain more and more of calories in the day. Children need certain nutrients to satisfy their needs. आपल्या शरीराला अनेक न्यूट्रिएंट्सची गरज असते. Like fruits, we should include in our diet fruits, green leafy vegetables, grains and proteins. One important source of vitamins and minerals are dairy products like meat, milk, cheese or yogurt. Dairy products provide us with vitamin D. Like if you will have milk in the morning in your breakfast, you will have vitamin D for your body, which increases immune function and help absorb calcium. Vitamin D helps your body to increase your immunity power and it helps to absorb calcium. They also need vitamin A and vitamin C from fruits and vegetables. If you will have fruits and vegetables in your breakfast or in a day, then you will have vitamin A and vitamin C in your body. When you skip breakfast, your entire day is disturbed. जर आपण सकाळचा नाश्ता नाही केला तर आपला पूर्ण दिवस खराब होतो. So make sure that you eat something, no matter how small it is, but you never try to skip your breakfast. कधीच आपला ब्रेकफास्ट न करण्याचा विचार करायचा नाही. काही ना काहीतरी थोडंफार तरी खायचंच. You are at a growing age. तुम्ही आता मोठे होताय. You need carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals in sufficient quantities so that your body can remain हेल्दी. आता जसे जसे तुम्ही मोठे होताय सगळे न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपल्या बॉडीसाठी जरूरी आहे. देन ओनली यू कॅन रिमेन हेल्दी. तुम्ही निरोगी राहू शकता. द फूड यू ईट हेल्प्स यू ग्रो इन हाईट. Because of all these nutrients in your body, your height increases and allows you to gain weight in the right places. And you will have a correct body weight if you will eat all these things in your daily breakfast and the food. Now what is right and what is wrong? Means what is to be eaten by us and what is not to be eaten. वेन वी ईट स्लोली, जेव्हा आपण हळूहळू खातो अँड च्यू आर फूड प्रॉपरली, आणि आपलं जेवण व्यवस्थित चावतो, इट बिकम्स इझी टू डायजेस्ट द फूड, then that food is easily digested by our stomach. This happens because properly chewed food creates less load on our stomach and even on the digestive system. कधी पण जेवण व्यवस्थित शांतपणे चांगलं व्यवस्थित चावून खायचं, then only it reduces the load on our digestive system or on our stomach. Food which is high in calorie with very little nutritional value is called junk food. Sandwiches, वडा पाव, पिझ्झा हे सगळे काय आहेत? जंक फूड आहेत, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये खूप साऱ्या कॅलरीज असतात, विच इज ऑफ नो यूज, विच डज नॉट हॅव न्यूट्रिशनल व्हॅल्यू. Some examples are soda, French fries, burgers, etc. When you go out, you keep on eating junk food, which is not good for your health. Junk food is not at all good for our health, and we should try to avoid them. Next, it is very important to have fresh fruits. ताजे फळं खाणं खूप चांगलं असतं. व्हेजिटेबल्स खाणं चांगलं असतं. अँड सॅलड्स इन आवर मील्स. सॅलड्स you can use cucumber, tomato, onion, then carrot, radish, and you can eat it. This gives us energy. So fruits, vegetables, salads in your food gives you energy, minerals, sugar, vitamins, fiber, and things that can protect us from diseases. If you will eat all this properly in your food, then it will keep you free from diseases. Next, it is important to have color on your plate. So if your plate looks colorful, then you will like it. Food which are naturally colorful like brinjal, broccoli, beetroot, mango, pomegranate, etc., they are high in antioxidants. Okay? So it's very important to have breakfast in the morning, because it's your growing age and your body needs the complete nutrition. So always, whatever is prepared by your mother for the breakfast, either in a small quantity also you can have it, but never ever think to skip the breakfast, otherwise your whole day will go wasted. And in your daily food you must include fruits, green leafy vegetables, and all types of salads. So you must eat each and every vegetable, especially the green leafy vegetables, to keep your body free from the diseases, because it provides you energy. सगळ्या भाज्या आपण खाणं खूप जरुरी आहे, कारण आपल्या शरीराला एनर्जीची गरज असते सगळ्या डिसीजेसपासून लढण्यासाठी. सो इफ युअर इम्युनिटी पॉवर इज गुड, then you will be free from diseases and you will lead a healthy life. सो आपण सगळ्या भाज्या खाल्ल्या पाहिजेत. इवन कारलं देखील खाल्लं पाहिजे, ते आपल्या शरीरासाठी खूप उत्तम आणि योग्य असतं. ओके, सो यू मस्ट क्रिएट हेल्दी ईटिंग हॅबिट्स इन्स्टेड ऑफ ईटिंग जंक फूड एव्हरी टाईम. महिन्यातून एकदा दोनदा जर आपण बाहेर गेलो तर एखाद्या वेळेस फ्रेंच फ्राईज, बर्गर, पिझ्झा हे ठीक आहे, पण सारखं खायचं नाही. Okay, so listen to the video carefully, and next time we will see the exercise based on it. Till that time, take care. Bye.